Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about the standard deviation filter in IDQ Pro. This filter modifies the dataset with a standard deviation filter to visualize the edges of the objects. This filter is global and will be retained for all other functions and algorithms. To start, you'll want to go to Filtering and Enhancement. Then you'll want to select Standard Deviation. After it is complete, you'll click OK. The filtered image can be returned to the original image by going to Filtering and Enhancements, Remove All Filters and Enhancements, or by clicking the Reset button. But note, the Reset button is global and will revert all changes back to the original. So if you have done any cropping, that will be gone. The algorithm performs standard deviation filtering of the dataset spatially only for each frame, and it returns the filtered image. The value of each output pixel is the standard deviation of the 3x3 neighboring pixels around the corresponding input pixel. For pixels on the border, the algorithm uses symmetric padding, where the values of the padded pixels are a mirror reflection of the bordered pixels. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.